Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you of a bread loaf. It's called a super seeded bread loaf. It has yeast in it for flavor and it has no almond flour or no coconut flour either. So let me show you what it looks like. Woohoo! Check that out. Oh, look at that. Let me show you the texture. Nothing could be more bready than this. Crisp on the outside and bready on the inside. So we're standing in my kitchen.
Take a mixing bowl and add in 1/4 of a cup of pumpkin seeds, 1/4 of a cup of sunflower seeds, and 1/4 of a cup of chia seed meal. If you have the full seeds, please put them in a grinder. 3 tablespoons of flaxseed meal, half a cup of psyllium husk powder, optional to put yeast in, and some sweetener. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it all a good mix. And now we are going to put in olive oil, which is 3 tablespoons, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Give it all a good mix, and now we have 1 full cup of egg whites. You don't have to whir them up. All you have to do is pour them in. And now 1 cup of hot water, which I'm putting little by little. So I would like you to see the consistency that I reach when I put it into the loaf pan. So I've poured it in, and you don't have to press it down really hard, but just see that it goes end to end. I'm giving it a slight mound in the center. That's what I wanted to show you, just a very slight mound. And now it's ready to go into the oven at 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for anywhere between 60 to 70 minutes. And here we have it, a beautiful superseded brown bread loaf. I'd like you to see the texture. It's spongy, just like real bread. So do try this recipe. I think you're going to like this one. And do subscribe to my channel to help me grow. And lots of love always. Bye then.